Yo, what is up guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can join the Dislyte Discord server. Okay, so the process is very straightforward and simple. This will work on your mobile phone as well as any desktop device. So I'm on Google right now, on Google Chrome. Then in the search bar I'm just going to type Dislyte Discord, just like that, then hit enter. And then you'll see various results that pop up, and you just want to click on this first one that says Dislyte Discord. So I'll click on that, and then that should take me into the server where I can join the server. And if you want, I'll leave this linked up in the description down below. If you just want to click on the link in the description, then you can see this is the official Dislyte server with the verification and partnered badge. So just click on join Dislyte, and then you can see, you can read about the rules and everything like that, and then you should be into the Dislyte server. So when you join the Dislyte server, you get this call bot that you can interact with, but just go into the Dislyte server, and then you can go into the general chat and you can begin typing, and it says you must complete a few more steps before you can talk. So just complete these steps. I'll just agree to the rules, click on submit, and now I'm able to chat in the Dislyte Discord server, and just like that. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.